Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use PI utilities in the PI network. PI utilities are the feature inside the PI network ecosystem that allow users to use their PI coin for real app utilities such as staking, payments, app interaction and ecosystem support. These utilities are accessed mainly through PI browser, which acts as a gateway to the PI apps, or you can use that as well in the PI network. And using PI utilities is an important step toward giving PI real-world value and usability. So first, what you can do is you need to open to your PI network app here. And once you're logged in, your account is verified. Your phone or Facebook mining status does not affect browsing utilities. And once you reach into this dashboard, in the top left, there's a 3-line icon. Select there. And over here, what you can do is select the PI utility just below the PI browser. Here you can connect to your wallet, blockchain. You can also update to your KYC and profile pictures here, and you can chat with the support portal. And that is it. Using PI utilities is how pioneers turn PI into a mined coin, into a functional digital asset. And by accessing this, connecting your wallet and interacting with the PI apps, you're actively participating in the group PI network ecosystem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.